All right, so today we have a real quick tip on chimneys. Here we're looking at the chimney flue system here, and this top piece is called chimney flue tile. This one happens to be, the size of this one is, let's see here, we've got, this one is a 13 by 13 flue tile, and that's a pretty standard size. Now the tip for y'all is, let's see. Morning. So the tip is to get your chimney flues covered, because a lot of things can get into them, like animals or the elements can actually affect the quality and the longevity of the flue tiles, especially the elements like rain and snow. But for this particular instance, I'm helping out a friend because he actually had a duck that flew into his flue tile. And then the duck flew in all the way down. I don't know if you can even see that. Let's see if we can get a light on that. So the duck ended up all the way down in the flue system, and then had to be taken out from the inside, which can get pretty messy because the duck, once he's all the way inside, is covered in soot. So it's a really simple process of just covering the flues with a chimney cap, and that will help keep out rain and animals. I'll show you what one looks like here. So this would be your chimney cap, and you can find these online, or you can hire someone, a chimney service, to come out to service the chimneys, and they very often will also provide chimney caps for your chimney flue. And that will help keep out animals and the rain, and help extend the life of your chimney. Because also you don't want to have like an open door type of aspect, you know, to your house. You've got screens on the doors and windows. It's also important to have a screen on your fireplace. So here's the end results with the chimney caps now installed. They're relatively simple. They took a few seconds. The only thing that'd be a little bit daunting is climbing up on the roof. This one happens to be a two-story roof, so it's a little bit tall. But otherwise, the procedure of installing them is pretty simple. You can see it's just a few screws on either side that helps hold them down. And the smaller one over here is an 8x8, and this one is a 13x13 flue size. And you can relatively find these sizes easily. The other real common size is a 9x13 flue, and that's a pretty common size to find when you're looking for the flue caps. So that's your tip for today. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Be safe, have fun, and as always, we are stronger together.